Say this is useful, not this useful. In the fast-paced world of technology, clear communication is paramount. We often encounter phrases that, while understandable, could be more grammatically precise. Today, we'll demystify a common point of confusion: the use of articles. Think of articles as tiny navigators, guiding your audience to understand whether you're referring to a specific item or a general concept. Mastering this small detail can significantly enhance the professionalism and clarity of your technical writing and everyday speech, making your messages land with impact. Consider the common phrase, "this useful." While it gets the point across, it's akin to sending a message without a proper address. The missing piece is an article, typically a or an, which tells us if we're talking about one instance of something useful or a general quality of usefulness. For instance, saying, "this is a useful tool," specifies a particular item, whereas "this is useful" makes a broader statement about its utility. Understanding this distinction is like knowing whether your GPS is set to a specific destination or just exploring a general area. Let's refine this further. When you want to highlight the utility of a specific object or piece of information, you should use the indefinite article, a before a singular noun starting with a consonant sound. For example, "this is a useful feature." It's like giving a name tag to a specific function. Conversely, if the noun starts with a vowel sound, you'd use an. So, "this is an amazing piece of software." This precise article usage ensures your audience understands you're referencing a singular, identifiable item. However, there are times when you're making a general statement about a quality or concept, not referring to a specific instance. In these cases, you can omit the article. For example, "this feedback is useful" suggests that the feedback, in general, possesses the quality of usefulness. It's not about one specific piece of feedback, but the nature of the feedback received. This is like saying a cloud is beautiful. You're describing the general appearance, not a single, specific water droplet. So the key difference lies in specificity. "This is useful" is a statement about a quality. "This is a useful X," where X is a singular countable noun, is a statement about a specific item possessing that quality. Think of it as the difference between appreciating the beauty of a sunset, a general concept, and admiring a beautiful painting, a specific object. In technical contexts, this precision prevents ambiguity and ensures your message is accurately interpreted by your colleagues and clients. Let's practice with some tech-related examples. If you're referring to a general software update that improves performance, you might say, "this update is useful." You're commenting on the nature of the update itself. However, if you want to point out a specific function within that update that aids navigation, you would say, "this is a useful feature." It's about whether you are describing a characteristic or identifying a particular component that embodies that characteristic. When providing feedback on a new application, saying "this app is useful" conveys that the application as a whole serves a purpose effectively. It's a broad endorsement of its utility. However, if a particular function within the app, like the search bar, is particularly efficient, you'd specify, "this is a useful search bar." This distinction matters because it guides the listener or reader to understand the scope of your statement, whether it's a general observation or a specific compliment. Consider the context of code reviews. If a colleague submits code that generally improves efficiency, you might comment, "this code is useful." You're acknowledging the overall positive impact of their work. But if a specific block of code implements an algorithm particularly well, you would praise it by saying, "this is a useful algorithm." This targeted feedback is invaluable. It's like a surgeon precisely identifying the area that requires attention, ensuring clarity and effectiveness in communication. Mastering the use of articles, particularly and in, transforms your technical language from merely understandable to impeccably precise. It's the difference between a blurry photograph and a high-definition image. Both show the subject, but one offers superior clarity and detail. By paying attention to whether you're describing a general quality or a specific instance, you elevate your communication, ensuring your technical insights are always sharp, professional, and impactful. Remember, precision in language mirrors precision in thought, especially in the tech world. Using articles correctly isn't just about grammar. It's about conveying your meaning with absolute clarity. Subscribe to our channel for more weekly tips designed to enhance your technical communication, ensuring every word you use serves a clear purpose and lands with the intended impact. Let's continue to refine our language together, week by week, making our technical conversations more effective and professional.